In this video, I'll be showing you how to create pivot views inside of the MDFM. Pivot views can be used for multiple different functions. We can create a pivot view to create a customized chart, or we can use a pivot view to help compare your financial data in a new way. To do so, we have to navigate to the MDFM and select where you want the data to come from. Let's say we wanted to make a custom table inside of the governmental funds. Open up the governmental funds and go to tables. Here we are going to see the master pivot table. To make changes to this table to make our new automated table, we click up here in the Choose Fields button. Now we have arrived at the field chooser. The field chooser allows you to pick whatever amount of rows or columns you want to use and what type of data drawn in from your trial balance you want to utilize. For instance, we could compare ending balance with a different metric. Any entry with a sigma sign or a sum sign is a data field, meaning it will be the ending balance for a year, the budget, actuals. Put otherwise, these are dollar amounts that are tied to a specific metric. Any field without the sigma sign is a possible row or column in your table. To change how the rows or columns are depicted, we can click and drag this information around, and now we see that we have changed the information to show 2025. We can also filter which data is being shown by clicking on the upside down triangles and selecting which fields we want to utilize and then clicking OK. Once you've selected the data you want to have represented in the field chooser, we click on the X here. We can start expanding or collapsing the rows or columns as we see fit, utilizing these chevrons. Once we've arrived at a table that we're happy with, all we have to do is right-click anywhere on the table, hover over View, and then click Save As. I'm going to write this and call it the condensed balance sheet. We can make this the default view if desired, but we're going to click OK here. Now we have a new possible view in the tables. This table, our view, can be exported into your report either as a chart or as an automated financial table. Further, we can utilize these pivot views to create specific linked numbers to use in manual entry tables. Now you have all the tools to create custom pivot views inside of Disclosure Studio.